Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to set your website type as company on the LinkedIn app for PC after the new update. It's quick, easy, and only takes a few moments once you know where to find the right settings. First, open up the LinkedIn app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the Me icon, which has your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can adjust everything about your profile. On the left-hand side, you'll notice several options. Choose the section labeled Account Preferences. Under Account Preferences, you'll see a category called Profile Information. Click on that. Inside this section, select Name, Location, and Industry. This is where your basic profile details are stored. Now, under that same area, scroll until you find Contact Info. Beside it, there will be an option to edit. Click on Edit Contact Info. This is where you can manage your websites, emails, and other contact details. Look for the website you already have listed, or add one if you haven't yet. Once you've chosen the website you want to adjust, you'll see a drop-down menu for the website type. Open that menu, and from the options, select Company. After you've done that, the most important step is saving your changes. Just click on the Save button at the bottom and you're all set. Your website is now officially categorized as a company type on your LinkedIn profile. That's all it takes. Just a few clicks and your LinkedIn profile will be perfectly updated to reflect your company website.